नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, एक्सपर्ट टीचिंग या यूट्यूब चॅनलमध्ये तुमचं स्वागत आहे. Today we can see the concept of class 11th physics. The chapter name is motion in plane. The lecture number 5. Today we can see the concept average velocity, instantaneous velocity, average speed and instantaneous speed. We can see the four concept. Then we can start the first concept. Now average velocity. We can start the first concept, average velocity. Now the first point, the average velocity is, the first point is the average velocity of an object is the displacement of the object during the time interval. During the time interval, the average velocity is displacement of an object during the time interval. Then second point, the average velocity is given by, now the average velocity is, now average velocity is equal to displacement upon time interval. Average velocity is denoted by v vector average. It is given by, now the v vector average equal to x2 vector minus x1 vector divided by t2 minus t1. Then the x2 minus x1 is the change in displacement and t2 minus t1 is change in time. That is the average velocity equal to delta x upon delta t. The average velocity is a vector quantity and it is SI unit, meter per second. Now the concept name is average velocity. Now this is average velocity. The average velocity is displacement upon time interval. सरासरी वेग हा विस्थापन आणि एकूण वेळ यांचा भागाकार होय. Average velocity is displacement upon time. The point number 3, average velocity equal to displacement upon time interval. It is denoted by v vector average. It is given by, now point number 6, it is given by x2 minus x1 divided by t2 minus t1. The point number 7, v vector average equal to delta x upon delta t and average velocity is vector quantity. It is SI unit is meter per second. Now the next concept is instantaneous velocity. The instantaneous velocity is limiting value of average velocity and the instantaneous velocity is, it is the velocity of an object at a given instant. The point number 1, the instantaneous velocity is the limiting value of the average velocity and the point number 2, it is the velocity of an object at a given instant of time. The instantaneous velocity is velocity of an object at a given instant of time. Instant of times means प्रत्येक सेकंदाला कॅल्क्युलेट केलेली वेलोसिटी आहे, त्याला आपण इन्स्टंटेनियस वेलोसिटी असं म्हणतो. यस, it is denoted by v vector The point number 4, it is given by, now the point number 5, v vector equal to, now limit delta t tends to 0, delta x upon delta t is equal to delta x upon delta t. In point number 6, it is SI unit is meter per second. Then the average speed, the concept name is average speed. The average speed of an object is the total path length, is the total path length traveled by an object during the time interval. The point number 1, average speed of an object is the total path length traveled by the object during the time interval. The average speed is depends upon the total path length, and average velocity is depends upon displacement upon time interval, and average speed is total path length traveled by object during time interval. Then it is given by the average speed equal to total path length to the total time interval. And point number 3, average speed is a scalar quantity. Scalar means it have present only one magnitude. The point number 4, it is SI unit is meter per second. Then the last point, instantaneous speed. The instantaneous speed is limiting value of average speed. The first point, the instantaneous speed is the limiting value of the average speed of an object, is the instantaneous speed. We can see the four concept. The first one is average velocity. Now second is instantaneous velocity. Now third one is average speed, and last is instantaneous speed. We can see the four concept. Then the another concept we can see in the